पयलींचे बिल्डिंगे मागीर कितें जातलें थंयसर तुमी रेंटाक घेतले
No. At present, no. At present, आमचे तो पयलींचे बिल्डिंग आहा ते ground plus 2 आहा. So now what we will be doing, most of us will be shifting over here. So for the ground and the first floor आहा तो we will still be using for our surveying of the vessels and all. This will start. Other thing is the top floor, we will be having a disaster management cell. This is what is I have planned and we have planned and put it to the government also. So this will go to this building as of now will not be given because even the Department of Lotteries also have come and they were asking the place, but we cannot give that space because they require that space down there. So that I told them maybe we may have to do the stability test of the whole building, okay, and do the repairs of it and use it for us for government.
So there is one more allegation regarding saying that he knew this offices be used for the casinos premises.
Which one?
This new building.
New building.
Nothing.
There's no provision for any casinos made over here. So this is exclusively our administration building. Plus we have some offices over here. That could be some co-working spaces, but not for casinos.